Hi everyone, my name's Rell and welcome to my channel, Rell's Art and Craft Studio. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's tutorial is a resin ocean pour that I've named Majestic Shores. This one is really special to me as I'm actually going to donate it to a local radio station here on the Sunshine Coast. 92.7 Mix FM's Give Me 5 for Kids raise funds that go directly towards the needs for our local children's ward, purchasing new equipment and upgrades and services for support projects and initiatives to make children's hospital stay a little bit brighter and their families a little bit brighter. So as I said, this is a painting that I'm about to donate to them, and I've put a link down in the description below. So if you're on the Sunshine Coast and you're interested in having a look, wanting to donate a piece of art, please do. Well, I'm really pleased how this one came out, and I'm super happy to be able to donate it to such a worthy cause. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your support, and stay tuned for next Tuesday for the next video in this series. Thanks again. Bye for now.